So, pancakes, brownies, yes. Making pancakes, blueberry pancakes, making some brownies. Maybe it's going to be a brownie cake, I don't know. But I got the pan here, some cool stuff. Just staying productive. I got myself some Lipton tea here, zero sugar, green tea citrus with flavors, with natural other flavors. Yeah. So, there's that. Got a smart water. And just gonna kind of do that. It's always good before you start what you're doing, just rinse out your bowl. That's cooking 101. Everybody knows that. You must have a nice clean surface before you start your baking, cooking, everything like that. So yeah, let's open this up here. Alright, brownie mix. Not the brownie. We got the bacon stuff. Take a spoon. Of course, you can just eyeball this. Yes, some people measure. I do it the old school, old-fashioned way. A little bit of that. A little bit more. Okay, there's that. And this, you don't really need milk. You got water. So just add your water. But let's just be a little adventurous today and take a brownie mix and make chocolate pancakes by the Pearl Milling Company. Alright, let's do that. This is what we're going to do. I'm just going to mix it up. And there we go. A little bit of chocolate in there. A little bit of that. Gonna need a little bit more cake mix. Save the rest of our brownie mix for our cake. So I'm just gonna kind of give a healthy portion. Just a little bit more. And then you just gotta mix that shit up. Kinda mix your dry stuff together before you add your eggs. Just gonna mix that together, have a nice even blend, you know, and call it good. So now we got that going on for us, that's done. Man, eggs. The eggs. I can actually go back to the instructions. I actually did take a minute to read the brownie instructions, and I already know what this says, so we're just going to go with it, okay? That's what we're going to do. Just a little bit of water, a dab of do-ya. Some smart water there. Call that good. Just kind of mix that in there. Get the mixing going and stir that stuff up. Try to get that all mixed evenly. Make sure you preheat your oven for the brownies and whatnot. Make sure you do that. And just make sure you get everything evenly mixed up in there. Let's get that gonna go. Nice consistency there. And yeah, so you just got that. You got your brownie mix, you got your pancake mix. So basically you're making like a brownie pancake kind of cake, or brownie pancakes. So you just kind of do that. You gotta really get in there, okay? You gotta get all of that. Don't waste any of the ingredients. You just gotta, let's go like that. And then just really stir that, just whip it really good. Spin it around, get all that, don't leave nothing. I get everything. Do not waste our batter, okay? Nobody likes wasted batter. Alright? You gotta make sure that tastes good, you know. But you can't leave wasted ingredients. Don't waste money, but don't waste the stuff, you know. You're gonna make something, do it right. That's why you follow instructions, but be a little creative along the way. And yeah, so I got my 2 pans. Like I said, this is the cake pan. This is the heart-shaped pan. So we're just gonna kind of give it a little more spin and get the oven preheated. And you guys will see the end result in the next part of the video when everything goes in the oven. Like the cakes getting baked, the 2 of them, and then the pancakes. So stay tuned for that. Have your coffee, your tea, read your morning book, whatever book you read, your morning podcast, and just be productive. It's the weekend, everybody. Have fun, be happy, and be yourself. So when you get to the point, when you get to watch a good cooking show, when you're cooking with Alex, you get some life wisdom, you get some cool recipes, and I just posted my recipe, which is from the family, from my grandma, my mom, chocolate cupcakes. That's a phenomenal recipe. It's the best cupcakes you'll ever have. Alright, enough about that. I'm going to finish this up, and stay tuned for part 2, and then part 3 is when this is all baked and finished. The cake, the 2 cakes, the pancakes, and I will talk to you guys soon. I'm going to finish this all up. So keep on being awesome. Keep on rocking and rolling and grooving. And just be yourself. And don't forget, Chase Elliott, number 9, Napa Chevrolet, tomorrow, Kansas City, Kansas is the racetrack. And it's on the Fox network. I said the wrong thing there. But hey, when I talk about NASCAR, I get a little excited because I enjoy the horsepower, the fun times, the good life advice from that you learn, but the good times and camaraderie you have if you go to a NASCAR race, that you may just make yourself a new friend and have fun times. Enough about that. Staying on topic. I'm going to finish this up here. See, the consistency is really great. And then, like I said, I got blueberries. I got all this. Talk to y'all later. And peace.